Moving on, listed telco Safaricom closed the first quarter of this year with a slightly lower market share of subscribers, according to the latest quarterly report released by the Communication Authority of Kenya. The telco's market share declined by 0.3 percentage points to 64.8% by the close of March this year. Despite the drop in its overall market share of subscribers, Safaricom retained the majority share of mobile money and mobile data subscribers during that period. During the first 3 months of this year, the number of mobile subscribers in the country rose by 1.2% to 55.2 million, up from 54.5 million in the last quarter of 2019. Safaricom's subscriber base rose to 35.6 million subscribers by the end of the first quarter of this year, up from 35.3 million subscribers as at December 2019. Despite the growth, Safaricom's overall share of subscribers dropped to 64.8% during the first quarter of 2020. This as Airtel's network share of subscribers rose by 0.7 percentage points to 26.6%. Telecom Kenya also shed 0.4 percentage points in the market share to post a market share of 5.8%. Equitel's market share remained unchanged at 3.1%. During the same period, the number of registered active mobile subscriptions stood at 29.1 million, with Safaricom's M-pesa mobile money transfer service retaining the highest market share of mobile money subscriptions at 98.8% as at the close of March 2020. According to the statistics released by the CA, Safaricom handled the entire quarter's business-to-business transfers, which stood at 878.1 billion shillings. The value of person-to-person transfers during the first quarter of this year stood at 674 billion shillings, with M-pesa handling 673.6 billion shillings worth of persons-to-person transfers. On Matters data, total internet subscriptions dropped by 0.7% to stand at 39.3 million from 39.6 million subscriptions reported in Q2. Mobile data subscriptions also dropped by 0.8% to 38.8 million subscriptions. According to the Communication Authority, this is mainly attributed to the decline in the number of mobile subscriptions posted by Telecom Kenya during the quarter as a result of measures taken by the company to scale down on investment in anticipation of the proposed Airtel-Telcom merger. Safaricom plc recorded the highest market share in mobile data subscriptions at 68.8%. The volume of mobile data consumed increased by 4.1% to stand at 110.6 million gigabytes during the first quarter of this year. The Communication Authority says the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on the communication sector will be more evident in the April to June statistics.